Hi, so today is your driving test. Imagine it's your driving test today, okay? So if your test was today, what are you going to do? What is your preparation? What is it that you're going to do on the day? You need to pass, right? So are you ready? Do you know how to drive the car? Do you have the car ready for you? Is your instructor coming to give you a lesson? Do you have all your documents that you need? Mentally, are you okay? How nervous are you feeling? All those things you need to think of. All those things going to come in, creep into your mind, okay? So let's talk about on the day of your driving test. What is it that you should do? What is it that you can do to help you for you to pass your driving test? You want to pass, right? Firstly, we know that you know how to drive the car. We know that. You're not going to go to the test unless you know that you're ready. So we know that you are ready for your test. We know that. Remember, your driving instructor is not going to take you to the test unless they know that you're ready. So we know that you're ready. That's number one. Number two, you wake up, what are you going to do? Is there any preparation? Is there anything you need to do for you to be prepared, for you to do the test well? What are you going to do? I would say, wake up, go for a walk, come home, have a shower, have something to eat. Have something, doesn't have to be big, something light, so it gives you the energy. So if you go for a walk, come home, have a shower, have something to eat. These three combination is the best way to start your test, okay? And then if you can, do something good on the day, or maybe day before, do something good. You know, I always say that the reason when you do something good, you feel good. You feel that you've done something good. Your soul become happy. And when you're happy, you feel confident, you feel good, okay? So do something good, you know, take the bin out for your parents, you know, help your neighbor, I don't know, feed your cat or feed a cat outside. Do something that is good, something that it helps you, something that makes you feel that you've done something good, okay? I always say that. Every time I want to do something important, when I do something good, I feel good. I feel motivated. I feel that I've done something, and that makes me feel good. So do something good, okay? And then make sure you have your documents that you need, especially your driving license. Make sure it's there. Don't go to the test unless you have the license with you. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to do the test. Secondly, if you wear glasses or contacts, make sure you have them with you, or you wear your contacts, because you need to read the number plate from 20-meter distance. If you can't read, you will fail your test. So make sure you take your license with you and take your glasses or wear contacts if you need to. Your driving instructor is going to come and pick you up, and you probably will have an hour lesson. In that lesson, make sure you work on the things that you want to work on, things that you feel weak on, things that you think you need a little bit more help. Maybe parallel parking, bay parking, maybe the emergency stop, maybe go through the questions, the show me tell me questions, something that you want to do, okay? And do some driving on every situation. So bit of junctions, dual carriageways, changing lanes, all the parkings, all the maneuvers, okay? Quiet road, busy road, dual carriageways, all those. So I will do those before I go. So cover those when you are having your 1 hour lesson, okay? Don't rush though. If you think you need to work a little bit more, have hour and a half. 2 hours may be too long, and sometimes 1 hour could be a little less, so maybe hour and a half if you need to work more. And have break in between. So like, you know, rushing. I don't want you to go to the test and you're rushing, because if you're rushing, your mind is going to be too fast and you probably will make many mistakes. So you work on in 1 hour with your driving instructor. Done. You go to the test center and you wait in the waiting room. Examiner comes out, calls your name, give them a smile, go towards them and give them your license. Done. Read and sign the declaration. You've done that. Done. What's next? The examiner is going to say, do you want an instructor with you? It's your choice. If you want to take your driving instructor with you, or maybe your family member or your friend with you, you could do that. It's your choice. If you want, say yes. If not, say no. Done. Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Then they're going to say, show me your way to your car. So make sure you put your license in your pocket or wherever, because you're going to need it at the end. Don't lose it as you are walking to your car. Then you go out of the office and you say, that's my car over there. Then they're going to ask you to read the number plate. You read the number plate. Okay, hopefully you can read 20 meters distance. Yeah, done. Then they're going to give you maybe one question before you go in, or they're going to say, go into your car and take your seat. You come in, take your seat, put your seatbelt on. Make sure, don't forget to put the seatbelt on. Make sure you put the seatbelt on. Very important. If you don't, done. You will fail. Okay? So you go into the car, put your seatbelt on, take a deep breath, because that's where the nervous is going to come in. It's going to kick in. Okay? So take a deep breath. You'll be fine. And then examiner comes in. They might give you a question. Show me, tell me question. Done. Then they're going to give you a brief what the test is going to be like. You're going to be driving. The test is going to be like 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to ask you to do one maneuver. We will do 20 minutes of independent driving and done. Okay, we're going to go out from here and then we're going to finish here. Done. It's going to ask you to start the car and go out of the gate, maybe out of the gate from the test center. Go left or right. Take a deep breath. Make sure you believe you can, because you can. And then you start your car. Look around, look at the blind spot. Make sure the blind spot. I keep saying, because many learners, they fail for blind spot. So they basically literally failed as they're moving. Okay? So before you go, make sure you look around, check your blind spot. Done. Go out to the gate. Examiner gives you direction, or maybe they put the sat nav on for you to do the independent driving from the test center. Done. Give everything you have in first 5 minutes. Everything. You're going to be nervous. Take a deep breath. Done. Just drive. Both hands on the wheel. And you drive. You look at the mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. And you're driving. Road is narrow. Okay, so what do I do? Mirror, mirror. Done. Okay? My full focus is on the driving. I'm thinking about the driving. There's a car. Mirror, mirror. Think. Read. Talk to yourself. Okay? Parked cars. What could happen? There's a car here. Mirror, mirror. I got this space to go. Done. Okay? There's a car coming. What am I going to do? Okay? They're waiting. Mirror, mirror. Done. As soon as you know they're waiting, look at the mirror. Done. Road is narrow. I'm going to go slowly. Think. Read. Talk to yourself. Road is too narrow. Okay? Go really slowly. Look into the road. Look into the road. Really slowly. Mirror. Done. Mirror again. Done. Okay? Do I have the space to go? I do. Okay. Okay. Is anyone coming? Anyone coming? No. Parked car, parked car. If there's someone coming, there's no space. There is space now because there's no one coming. Okay, what about the dog? What about the person? Okay? Is the dog on a lead? What could happen if it wasn't on a lead? Okay? Think. Read. Don't just read like a tunnel vision. Think what's happening here. Parked car. Door could open. They could move out. There's a road on my left. There's a road on my right. There could be car coming from there. Car coming from there. See, I'm reading. Okay? There's door just open. The lady just came out. What's she gonna do? Does she have any dog with her? Child with her? They could just run. Think about those. Okay? Gonna go left. Okay. So what am I thinking? Looking ahead. Speed. Really slowly. Road is narrow. Look into the road. Look into the road. Any problem? There's a car coming. What if I went faster? What would have happened? I probably would have ended up on the other side. So the more the narrow, go slower. Okay? Give everything in first 5 minutes. Done. The examiner said stop somewhere safe on the left. Stop somewhere safe on the left. Mirror, mirror. Signal is going to be left in a minute. Signal left. Okay? And then I go and I stop nicely. Can I stop here or pull up here? Yes, I can. I pull up here. So the examiner said to pull up and I did. As soon as I stop, I secure the car. Done. Now the examiner said move off. Make sure you stop, secure, signal off. Done. Now move off. Okay? I get the car ready. Signal if needed. And I go. Did I look at the blind spot? I did. Did I put the signal on? I did. I'm going to go right. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Closed junction. I can't see anything. Go to the line. Okay? Go to the line. I'm edging. There's no one coming. Go to my side. And done. Okay? So can you see? The more you talk to yourself, more you will know what's happening on the road. Okay? Talk to yourself. Commentary drive is the best for you to pass your test. So think, read, and talk to yourself, okay? And give everything you have in the first 5 minutes. Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. I truly wish you all the best for your test. And at the end, hopefully, the examiner is going to say, I am happy to say you have passed your test. Congratulations. Okay? I truly wish you all the best. I hope you pass your test. And if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.